Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to delete unwanted pages in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to open my Microsoft Word document. You can see I had a Microsoft Word document which has total 7 pages. And in this particular Word document, I can see only I have 2 pages. There is a text and other all pages I not need. Even you maybe have same issues. You would like to remove that all empty pages or unwanted pages from your Microsoft Word. So first of all, if you want to remove that unwanted pages, what you have to do? First of all, for example, my all text in page number 1 and page number 2. And now I would like to remove other pages also, like page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is all empty pages. So what you have to do, for example, I'm put my cursor over here and then I'm clicking in my keyboard, Control Shift and now what you have to do, click in your keyboard, delete, and you can see immediately all the page has deleted. Now you can see I had only 2 pages. Maybe somehow or some cases your page not deleted or etc. Issues, it's not deleting or remaining 1 page. So for that, what you can do, for example, this is the page number 1, 2 and 3 or other more pages. So what you have to do in your keyboard, press backspace. So in the last page, try to click backspace and try to see is the page is deleting or not. If it is not, put your cursor over the writing when finished and then click in your keyboard, delete, and then hopefully all the pages are going to be deleted if there is any remaining extra pages from this text. So now you can see when I press delete, it's already deleted all my Word pages. You can see now I had only 2 pages. So this is how you can easily delete unwanted, or if you want to wish to delete some page, you can easily delete the blank page in your Microsoft Word. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.